Good morning, everyone. Every applicant here seems like you are certain. So I'm going to give you a brief demo on what's going to happen. Each of you will have the chance to talk to me, and I will interview you individually so that I can get to know you more. Now you're applying for a job that is a automotive technician, and out of the 13, there will only be 6 that would be accepted. Are there any more questions? Okay, then let's get started. Good morning, sir. What is your name?
Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Aaron Ramos.
I am Christine Lloyd Nicoleta.
Morning, sir. My name is Guerrero David Andreuel.
Could you tell me about yourself and describe your background and grade?
I'm 22 years old and I live in Antipolo City.
I'm 21 years old from Marikina Portion.
I'm 24 years old and I live in Ramon Calban, San Jose, Rodriguez.
I'm a fresh graduate from MPC and my hobbies are fixing cars and motorcycles. And my profession is Bachelor Industrial Technology major in automotive technology.
And I'm fresh graduate from MPC and my profession is Bachelor Industrial of Technology, major in automotive.
Okay. And I have many skills for that, for leadership, communication. I'm a fast learner and collaboration for doing as a team for your company.
I have a strong passion for the automotive industry and a deep understanding of vehicle mechanics, design, and innovation. My background includes some of my past related experience, such as working with automotive systems, hands-on repair, and when I have developed on kit for detail and a commitment to quality over the years. I am eager to contribute my skills to your company that values both technical expertise and continuous improvement in the field. So that's all, sir.
And my hobbies are fixing cars
Yes, yes, sir.
and I have many skills for that, leadership and collaboration.
How did you hear about this position?
I heard about this position because of my colleague of mine, Joshua, works at their company and immediately got my attention because of its alignment with my mechanical skills, such as repairing different parts of the car. And after hearing about the positive words, culture, and seeing how my skills align with the job, I was excited to apply and share my knowledge and experience in this position. So I will get hired and I will do my best and give my contribution to all this position.
What type of work environment do you prefer?
The work environment I prefer the most is in a work environment where I can do things alone or independently, like a mechanic, with the freedom in my own pace and manage all the tasks without any constant supervisions. Working alone allows me to dive deep into tasks, focusing in the quality and details without any distractions. This type of setting encourages the self-discipline, responsibility, and the ability to solve any problems by myself. When all aspects suitable for me, while I can also do work with others, for me, being alone still gives me the more satisfaction. It's the environment that not only supports my professional growth but also gives me a sense of fulfillment, accomplishment, and the most important, a happiness.
How do you deal with pressure or stressful situation?
Work pressure is not avoidable. However, we have to learn to deal with that, especially since we have dealt with it every day at work. There are also countless reason why we feel pressure, such as the left and right at need to be finished, goals at work, and sometimes because of the loss. It is important to remain calm anytime to prevent situation from escalating. Yes, it- it's not easy to be, especially if I have to lot to think about and to do. But being calm is very important because it is where you show your ability to deal with things in times of trouble. When an employee is also calm, he can perform to job well despite the pressure he faces. Despite to stress or pressure at work, it is good if you train yourself to focus on what needs to be done. Focus or concentrate on working without losing your mind on the stress or pressure you are facing.
Pressure is very important to me. Good pressure sa having many assignment or upcoming deadline helps to me stay motivated and productive. Of course, there are times when too much pressure has lead to stress, but instead of panicking, I took few moments to outline and schedule and map out my plan according to its importance. With the planning, I was able to handle stressful situation, implement what's on the plan, and eventually finish my errand. In addition, when faced with unexpected setbacks, I focus on finding solution rather than dwelling on the problem. I seek support from the colleges and maintain a positive mindset to handle situation proactively. By keeping my focus and knowing my timeline and deadlines, I manage to stay calm and make sure decision I have found the stress can actually a great motivator. I have learned to pressure to stay focused and task and make sure to deliver everything needed before and deadlines. We have the tight and deadline. I have found to my time management skills and great people for me to stay on the task and prioritize and effectively. In the end, I always believe that no matter how hard the situation is, there will always be answer to it. Thank you.
Do you prefer working independently or as a team?
I genuinely enjoy both independently work and teamwork as each approach it brings distinct advantages that contribute to my professional growth. Working independently allows me to take full ownership of my time effectively, which is both empowering and motivating. I find that when I work alone, can concentrate deeply and tap into my creativity without interruption, often finding innovative solutions to a complex problems. Independent work also helped me to build discipline and accountability. And I take pride in being able to see a project through from start to finish on my own. However, I equally value the dynamics of working within a team. Collaborating with others is a benefit for me because it gives different perspective and insights in leading more to more ideas that I enjoy because it gives me more experience and blending our strength to achieve a common goal. And a teamwork has taught me to communicate effectively and adapt my approach and remain open-minded, which are skill I value greatly. Ultimately, I feel that both working independently and in a team environment is important because it helps for my professional and personal development. I appreciate a balanced work while also contributing to a collaborative team effort. This combination helps me to be adaptable, well-rounded, and fully engaged in my work. That's all. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you very much. When you're balancing multiple projects, how do you keep yourself organized?
My strategy for that is I prioritize the tasks that are more urgent or the task most closest to the deadlines.
So I keep myself organized by making a list of my responsibilities and the things that has due dates.
And I also use time blocking strategy. I dedicated a specific time of block of time on a specific task.
I believe in order for you to work efficiently is to be able to identify your priorities.
This keeps me avoid task switching and ensures me to focus on one task at a time.
So I also tend to finish easier tasks first if there's no deadline included. Because for me, if I can lessen my workload little by little, there's still progress in finishing my task.
If some tasks are needs to be collaborative, I don't hesitate to give or distribute the workload to them. And I stay flexible because unexpected change happens. So it's important to adjust plans if needed without losing sight on the main priorities.
What did you do in the last year to improve your knowledge?
The things that I've been doing in my last year to improve my skills and knowledge is to focus on my mistakes. In my past years of automotive servicing, as a mechanic, we're always aware of mistakes. That's why it can be lead on a major big problem. And as a mechanic, we adapt the mistakes of others. That's why we're focusing on our job and we're focusing on step by steps in doing it. And as for me, I focus on that thing, and the majority, I can work efficiently.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations are aligned with my experience and qualifications, which I believe I would make a valuable asset to your team. I am eager to learn more about the compensation package of the company for this role and to discuss how my skills and knowledge that can contribute to your company's success. I am confident that we can find a mutually beneficial arrangement that can reflect the value that I bring and the growth potential of this position.
Are you applying for other jobs?
As a freshly graduate, I of course applied for more than one job application because currently I don't have the job experience to compete against the other job applicants that have more experience than me. As for hiring me, your company can benefit of having more flexible employee and with much room for improvements and open-minded for new ideas and instructions.
Thank you very much for answering me. Now, wait for a few days and I will get in touch with you because I will assess everyone's answers for me. Alright? So, I hope everybody answered wholeheartedly and I hope to be working with you at the near future. Thank you very much. You may all leave.
Thank you.